The same great quality and attention to detail that we put in all our Realstone system products can be found in our design solutions. What you see in front of you is our two-piece corners, our carbon honed accent, as well as our midnight sky thin, and how you're able to line them up depending on what your wall looks like in the design. Sometimes a corner is better treated, or a change of plane, with what we call a natural end. The natural end is variegated or chiseled on both sides, allowing you to cut and do a butt joint, which comes in real handy on columns or fireplaces with short returns, or even flat wall termination. For example, a backsplash into a family room with a chiseled edge, not a sawn cut edge. The end result being beautiful, looks great. We're one of the few people that have a natural edge.